In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Facebook feed plugin on Squarespace, and we'll aim to do this in just 5 minutes. Now, adding a Facebook feed can be a great way to keep your site visitors informed and engaged by showcasing your social media updates right on your website. Let's dive right in. To get started first, log into your Squarespace account. Once you're on the login page, you'll want to click on Continue with Google to proceed. This is a quick and secure way to access your account if you've linked it to your Google credentials. After doing so, you should see a list of your websites. Click on the website that you're planning to update with your Facebook feed. Once you're in the dashboard of your chosen site, you need to navigate to the Edit section. Simply follow the link or button labeled Edit to start making changes to your website. In editor mode, you'll notice various options to modify the layout and content of your pages. Look for the section where you want your Facebook feed to appear and click on Add Block. This will allow you to introduce new elements to your selected web page. Upon clicking Add Block, you'll see different types of content blocks you can choose from. Here, select the Code block. This is crucial because embedding your Facebook feed involves pasting a piece of coding script directly onto your site. With the code block now added to your page, the next step involves clicking on the pencil icon. This icon typically indicates that you can edit or customize the content within that block. Tap on it to open the editor for your code block. Now it's time to paste the code snippet for your Facebook feed into the code block editor. If you don't have this code already, you'll want to visit Facebook's developer site to generate the embed code that corresponds to your feed. Once you have the code, simply copy and paste it into the editor here within Squarespace. The final step in this process is to preview your changes. Before you go live, you want to make sure everything looks just right. So click on the Preview in Safe Mode option. This allows you to test and view how your Facebook feed will appear on your site without making the changes public immediately. By doing this, you can ensure that the feed is displaying as intended and fits well within your site's layout. And there you have it. With these steps, you should have successfully embedded a Facebook feed plugin onto your Squarespace website. It's a straightforward process that can have a great impact on how you engage with your website visitors. Thanks for watching and have fun customizing your site.